Hi everybody, thanks for joining. I am Katie, the head of Bookmobile Services for the Beverly Public Library, but not today. Today I am running the Quarantine Kitchen. One of the most frequent questions that I get asked by adults who come on the Bookmobile is, how do you drive this thing? And the true answer is sugar. I consume lots and lots of sugar. And today I'd like to share a simple 4-ingredient recipe with you in case you're like me and are breaking a little bit of a sweat over how much of your sugary snacks are already depleted this early into the quarantine. So this is a recipe for 4-ingredient peanut butter cookies. All you need for this recipe is peanut butter, sugar, an egg, and vanilla. And the only baking supplies you'll need will be, a bowl and spoon, cookie sheet, a fork to make the traditional mark on top of the dough, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Okay, so let's get started. You need a cup of peanut butter. It doesn't have to be smooth, that's just what I have. It can be smooth, it can be chunky, it can be all natural. Live your life, do your thing. So that is 1 cup of peanut butter in the bowl, 1 cup of sugar. You need 1 egg, get in there, and you need a teaspoon of vanilla. And now we're ready to mix. So you're just gonna get right in there. Don't be shy. Oh, quick disclaimer, which I forgot to mention earlier. If you are feeling sick, you should not be preparing food for other people. You should be in bed, resting, getting better. All right, so that's mixed up, easy as can be. I was gonna say easy as pie, but if you've ever made a pie, this is much easier than pie. All right, so I have a sheet of parchment paper on here because I'm lazy. This is not necessary. It's just nice. Okay. So I've thoroughly washed my hands for more than 20 seconds, and I'm feeling a-okay. So you're just gonna get your hands dirty. I like just getting in there with my hands. And you're just gonna roll out some cookie dough. It can be honestly however big you want them to be. It's your life, it's your kitchen, it's your choice. So we're just gonna roll out a few here. And then I'm going to demonstrate for you the technique here. All right, so you take your fork, you go like this. Then you take your fork and you go like this. And then you get your fork out of there. Ta-da! We're gonna do that again. It doesn't have to be perfect. No one's judging you. Don't judge yourself. Go easy on yourself. We're all having a tough time right now. And there you go. You are going to roll out as many of these as you feel like eating. One thing I will say about this particular recipe, it's very simple, which is awesome, but they really taste best fresh. So I would honestly recommend just baking up as many as you'd like to consume that day. What you can do with the rest is you can roll them out into cookie dough balls, put them in a Ziploc bag and throw them in your freezer, and then you can have fresh baked cookies whenever, which is pretty much paradise as far as I'm concerned. When you're ready to bake them, whether you are baking them, you're just going for it, or whether you're going to thaw them out thoroughly and then bake them, you are going to bake them at 325 for about 15 minutes. And you do want to let them cool before you transfer them to a cooling rack, because if you don't let them cool, they're gonna fall apart because there's no gluten in these to hold it all together. And then after that, you can enjoy a delicious, simple, homemade peanut butter cookie. Thanks for watching.